Okay, guys, here are the answers to the first part of the review. We went through number 1 in class, number 2 in class. But just a reminder, number 1, the answer was D, and number 2 on page BB, the answer was G. So, number 3, leaves recording information on a CD. Please look at your own problems so I don't have to write them. She already has 180 megabytes on her 650 megabyte CD. How many complete 40 megabyte files? So we know that she has a total of 650, so she can have less than or equal to 650 as a total. And she already has 180, so we're going to add the 180 to what she is going to get. And the 40 is going to be times the number of actual complete files she has. So X is the number of files. So here is your inequality, and we're going to subtract 180 from both sides. And last, we're going to divide both sides by 40, which means X is going to be less than or equal to 11 3/4. So if you want to know what is the complete files, well, 0.75 isn't a complete file, so it would have to be B, 11. Number 4, Guerrero bought 6 identical golf balls and a 240 bag of tees. I know already that doesn't tell me how much each golf ball is. And the total cost was less than 18, so there's my answer. So now I got to figure out how to find out the total cost. Well, that would be the $2.40 bag of tees that he already bought, plus the 6 golf balls times the cost of each golf ball. So here's your inequality, and then we're just going to solve it. And there's your answer. C is less than $2.60, which would be F. Carmen has $48 to spend at the carnival. So right away I know that she can spend less than or equal to $48. So now how is she going to spend money? Each ride costs $3.50, but we don't know how many rides that she will go on. So that's 3.5 R, 3 5/10 R. And see, now I kind of did this wrong. I didn't read the whole problem. He wants to have at least $5 for dinner. So I'm going to change. The answer isn't that he wants to spend at least 48. He wants to have at least, so when he's done spending money, he wants to have equal to or greater than $5. So now I think when you spend money, you start off with a total, 48, and you're going to subtract by the number of rides you go on, which would be 3.5 R. So now, I'm just going to subtract 48 from both sides. And we get negative 43 is greater than or equal to negative 3.5 R. And then 43 divided by 3.5, 2 negatives is going to equal a positive, is about 12.3. But since I divided by a negative number, I got to make sure that I flip my sign, which now means it is less than or equal to. R is less than 12.3. So 12.3 would be too many. So the maximum number of rides would be 12, which would be C.